I'm taking you from the Gulf to the Bayou. It's time to check in with a member of Louisiana's native Houma tribe, Janie Lester, and learn how to make traditional filet gumbo. All right, everyone, we are out on the bayou. Every food has an origin. It came from somewhere. And Cajun cooking came from right here. I'm here with Janie Lester, and your whole heritage is the Houma tribe.
Correct.
And that's who taught us how to make this wonderful Creole.
For many years, we had to fight the Cajuns as to, this was a Cajun dish, but, before it was Cajun, it was Indian.
It has to come from somewhere. So tell me what we're doing, sweating onions, right?
We're sweating onions. We're going to brown them. The difference between the Cajun and the Indian gumbo, the Cajuns make a roux with a flour,
Correct.
Browning it until it gets that nice, really brown color.
Mississippi mud is what they call it, right?
That's it, that's it. We brown the onions, and when they're just right, we're going to be adding our shrimp. And it's, again, we made use of what we had around us. This is God's country in a sense,
Right.
We were really blessed to be in this area with all the, you look at the back here.
This was your garden.
Right.
Yes.
Garden and hunting area, fishing area.
Right.
This is where we got, what we ate.
Literally surviving off the land. This is what you did. This is all you had to do.
Right. This is the shrimp, and this is really nice. It's 30 to 40 shrimp per pound, so
Right.
they're really nice.
Okay, so the shrimp are beautiful and orange. This is perfect.
Now I'm going to add bell peppers. Filet is grind up sassafras leaves that's been dried. I have the sassafras right here.
Oh, wow, that smells
Root beer.
Yes, root beer.
Sassafras tea.
Now you're going to put this in the gumbo?
I have the filet.
Okay.
This is filet right here. Filet gumbo is so less fattening.
I'm going to say, this, I could eat this day and night.
You don't have roux, which is where your calories come in.
Yes, exactly.
And then if you make it like today, if I put this in the refrigerator, all the fat's going to come, the little fat that
That's
I
right.
used to the top, so you can skim that
And there you go. Now, we didn't add the filet.
Not yet.
Ah, not yet. Patience. Okay.
Patience. Okay, I need my water. We're hoping to get it to boil, and then once it starts to boil, that's when I'm going to add the filet.
Okay. Nice and boiling. You just added a little green onion.
Green onions. Here it comes.
That's the filet. How much do you add?
A little bit, like this.
Just a little bit. Do you hear that? She knows what she's doing. Oh, there's that smell.
There's the smell.
There it is. And that's it.
That's it.
Oh. Well, let's pour some out. You've made some rice here too. I'm going to scoop a little bit out so everybody can see the color, see how beautiful your work is. And again, this is traditional. Would you say it any other way? Do you have a certain way that you would say it traditionally?
Traditional filet shrimp gumbo.
This is it. Thank you very much. And remember, this is the original. Thanks.
Thank you.